Hello and welcome to this overview video of the Gyraf G22 Vari-Mu compressor. The G22 is a dual mono, stereo and mid-side compressor. Let's go over the controls at first. In the middle there's a mode selector switch, which can either be set to left-right or mid-side operation. And at either extreme of the switch there's a bypass switch. The control switch selects which controls on the compressor are active. In the left or mid mode, only the left side controls of the compressor are active. In dual mode, both sides of the controls are activated. Switching to Vari allows for a variable cross-linking of the two channels. Meaning if you turn the knob fully counterclockwise, it is as if the compressor is in dual mode, and turning the knob clockwise will gradually link the two channels until they are 100% linked at the fully clockwise position. Other than that, the controls are fairly recognizable from other compressors. You have the threshold, ratio, attack and release, input and output controls, and those are mirrored on the other side for the second channel. A few quick notes about some of the controls. Ratio goes from 1:1 compression and all the way up to infinity to 1. Attack goes from a very fast 20 microseconds and all the way to 320 milliseconds. The release goes from a very fast 50 milliseconds to a very slow 3.2 seconds. Each side also has a bypass knob, which also includes a high-pass filter at 85 Hz. But enough talking, let's hear this compressor in action. I'm gonna set it up for a standard stereo operation, meaning I'll turn the mode to the left-right, and the control switch I'll set to left or mid, meaning I now control both sides on this set of controls. This is a track called My Friends by a band called Cousin. Okay, let's try and set it up as a dual mono compressor on the stereo bus.
Have
Okay, and last but not least, let's try and set it up as a mid-side compressor. Okay, let's try it on some individual sources, starting with drums. Okay, and now for some bass. Okay, and now for some vocals.
Has time killed the greatest thoughts? Have all my friends been lost? 'Cause we've run away from our first. If you wanna find something, don't believe, just search. It's in the smiles of someone who needed you. Has time killed the greatest thoughts? Have all my friends been lost?
Okay, and let's hear it in the mix.
Has time